Hey, this is your girl Jenny Get Skinny VSG, and I'm coming to you tonight, today, this morning, whenever you decide to watch this video, with a detoxifying turmeric face mask tutorial. So stay tuned because I tell you it's going to be amazing. Alright y'all, so let's get started. So I have dark spots in my face. Unfortunately, it's from breakout issues, hormonal issues, so you don't want that. Also, you're going to need a headband and remove any type of jewelry or glasses so they do not get tinted with the yellow coloration. So our first ingredient for our mask is going to be plain Greek yogurt. For my mask, I only use 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt. You can adjust these ingredients as you like. For my second ingredient, I went ahead and added in my turmeric, and I only did 2 shakes. Next, I use 1 teaspoon of organic apple cider vinegar with the mother in it. You are more than welcome to choose whatever brand you would like. It's up to you. Next, I added honey into it because honey provides the softness. Once you've added all your ingredients into your styrofoam bowl or plastic bowl, you go ahead and stir it up. Make sure you're using plastic or styrofoam because it does tint yellow. Okay, now here's where we go ahead and apply our mask with a brush that you will not be using because, again, it will tint yellow. So as you can see here, my face is pretty much covered with this mask. I'm getting under my eyes, over my eyes, and everything. Now that that is done, you're going to give yourself 10 minutes to let it sit. While we're waiting for our face mask to dry, we're going to sip on some of our detoxifying belly fat burner juice that we have. Alright guys, so time is up. You will need black soap, a face towel, a facial cleaning brush, your facial cleanser. So before applying anything else, you want to go ahead and wash that turmeric mask off completely. Alright guys, so now that it's completely off, let's go ahead and use our face brush or facial cleaning brush, however, and use your Cetaphil with this brush to get just into your pores and clean. Ladies and gents, never forget your neck. Always clean your neck as well when you're cleaning your face. I then like to take my face towel and finish washing the rest of that Cetaphil off so it does not interact with any of the other products I'm using. Okay, so now here I am using my face towel with that black soap that I showed you in the beginning to wash the excess Cetaphil and turmeric face mask off and rinsing it completely because you do not want any leftover product on your face. It can potentially break you out. Alright, so you want to go ahead and pat your face dry. Don't wipe it because you can definitely cause damage. Alright, my last step is to add my Ambi Dark Spot Fade Cream. I add this there just to take away those unnecessary dark blotches. So, yeah. Alright, y'all, so that is the end of my tutorial for my detoxifying turmeric face mask. If you want to see more content, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Jenny_gets_skinny VSG. I want to thank you so much for watching, and as always, enjoy. Bye bye now.